Ready to get a stronger core, ready to build a foundation of power? You can do it in just 10 minutes. This is not a shortcut, it is a commitment, a quick, focused ab routine designed to build stability, forge, shape, and unleash your inner power. You do not need a fancy gym membership or expensive equipment. All you need is your body. All you need is a small patch of floor. All you need is the will to work. Follow these steps, push with discipline. GymProLife is not just a brand, it is a philosophy. It is about strength. It is about discipline. It is about consistency. Let's get to work. This routine is for everyone. It does not matter if you are a seasoned athlete or just starting your fitness journey today. The principles are the same. You show up, you put in the work, you focus on every single movement. You breathe with intention. This 10-minute block of time is your sanctuary. It is where you challenge yourself, where you push past the voice that tells you to quit, and where you lay the bricks for a stronger, more resilient body. This is your moment, your time, no excuses. Just you and the floor, building something powerful, one rep at a time. Let's talk about the core. Why do we train it? Why is it so important? Your core is the absolute center of your body. It is the power plant from which all movement originates. It is not just about a six-pack. It's about a rock-solid foundation that holds you up, keeps you stable, transfers energy through your entire body. When you lift from your core. When you run from your core. When you throw a punch, it starts deep in your midsection. When you swing a bat, it starts deep in your midsection. A strong core is not a luxury, it's a necessity for a powerful, functional, healthy body. A well-trained core helps performance, it protects you. It's your body's natural armor for your spine. Every day you put stress on your lower back through sitting, standing, moving. A strong core distributes stress evenly, preventing chronic pain. It improves balance, it corrects your posture. Stand taller, move with confidence. 10 focused minutes done consistently makes a profound difference. Strength isn't built overnight, it grows from steady, dedicated work. This routine is designed for maximum impact. Train your core 3 to 5 times a week. Never step onto the battlefield cold, always warm up. A proper warm-up is not optional, it is a critical component of a safe and effective workout. Warm muscles are more pliable, more responsive, and less prone to injury. This is not a suggestion, it is a command. For the first 30 seconds we will march on the spot. Lift your knees to about mid-height, maintain a steady rhythmic pace, swing your arms naturally, stand with your feet about hip-width apart, keep a slight bend in your knees. This provides a stable base. Slowly twist your torso, left, then right. The movement should be controlled and deliberate, not jerky or fast. Feel a gentle stretch through your obliques and lower back. This rotation helps mobilize your spine and activate the muscles used to twist and stabilize. Breathe steadily as you twist. In 60 seconds, you increased blood flow, raised your core temperature, improved hip and spine mobility, and shifted your mind to readiness. Do not skip this step, ever. The discipline you apply now is the discipline you'll need for the final reps. The battle begins now. Here is the plan. We are going to execute a circuit of 6 distinct exercises. This is a deliberate sequence designed to target every major muscle group within your core. Each exercise will be performed for a solid 40 seconds of focused work. After each 40-second interval, you will take exactly 20 seconds of rest. This rest is active, breathe, reset, prepare. The total time, including work and rest periods, is exactly 6 minutes for the main circuit. We will follow this with additional holds to complete our 10 minutes. The 40-20 split keeps your heart rate elevated and maximizes your time under tension, a key driver of muscle growth and endurance. During the 40 seconds, move with absolute control and perfect form. Quality over quantity always. If your form breaks down, take a brief pause, catch your breath, then re-engage with proper technique. There is a difference between the discomfort of fatigue and the sharp signal of pain. The burn means you are creating change. Sharp, stabbing, or radiating pain, stop immediately. We will move from upper abs to lower abs to the entire anterior core, then to the obliques, hitting the core from all angles for balanced, functional strength. Prepare your mind for the challenge. Visualize power and precision. The next 6 minutes are a test of your focus and your will. Stay present. Stay controlled. Let's begin the work of forging steel. Forging. Our first exercise is the classic crunch. Lie on your back, plant your feet, bend your knees, and feet about hip width, hands lightly by your temples or crossed over your chest. Do not clasp your hands behind your head. It leads to pulling on your neck. Exhale and engage your upper abs to lift your head, neck, and shoulders a few inches off the floor. Pause at the top. Inhale as you slowly lower. Keep your lower back in contact with the floor. Do not arch. Keep your neck relaxed and aligned. Imagine an apple between your chin and chest. Small, slow, controlled. Rest 20 seconds. Breathe, reset. The reverse crunch shifts focus to your lower abs. Hands by your sides, palms pressed, knees at 90 degrees, shins parallel. Exhale and curl your hips off the floor only a few inches, bringing knees toward your chest. Roll your spine up one vertebra at a time, then lower with equal control. Do not swing your legs. Control is everything. Resist gravity on the way down. The eccentric builds strength. Make your lower abs do all the work. Rest 20 seconds. Breathe. Plank is next. Exercise number 3 is the plank, the ultimate test of core stability and endurance. Elbows under shoulders, forearms parallel, legs back onto the balls of your feet. Form a straight, rigid line, head to heels. No sagging hips, no lower back arch. Eyes down, neck neutral. Brace your core as if taking a punch. Squeeze glutes, quads, push forearms into the floor. Breathe. Do not hold your breath. If 40 seconds is too much, hold 20, rest 10, then hold 20. You will get to 40, rest 20 seconds. Flip onto your back. The bicycle crunch is dynamic, targets rectus abdominis and obliques. Hands lightly by temples, shoulders off the floor. Extend your right leg as you twist right elbow toward left knee. Switch sides in a smooth, continuous motion. The twist comes from your core, not flailing elbows. Think ribcage rotating toward opposite hip. Do not rush. Exhale on the twist. Inhale as you transition. This will set your obliques on fire. Embrace the burn. That is the feeling of getting stronger. Rest 20 seconds. Side plank up next. Our 5th exercise is the side plank. Powerful for carving your obliques and building lateral stability. Elbow under shoulder, feet stacked. Engage and lift until your body forms a straight line. Do not let your hips sag. Push them up. Shoulders stacked. Lower with control. Switch to your left side, hold for 20 seconds. Too challenging? Bend your bottom knee and place it on the floor. Rest 20 seconds, hollow body hold is next. The hollow body hold trains your deep transverse abdominis, your natural corset. Press your lower back firmly into the floor. No space under the lumbar. Lift shoulders and legs a few inches. Reach your arms forward. Hold a shallow C, a banana shape. The tension should be immense. Breathe short, controlled breaths. Easier. Bend knees to 90 or raise legs higher. Harder. Lower arms and legs closer to the floor without losing lumbar contact. Hold for the full 40 seconds. This is your final test of strength and will. Finish strong. Great job. Breathe. Breathing is not an afterthought, it is the engine that powers your performance. You must breathe with control and purpose. A common mistake is holding your breath. The rule is simple. Exhale on the exertion, crunch up, hip lift and twist. For planks and holds, maintain steady, continuous breathing. Quality beats speed. Think 2 count up and 2 count down. In crunches, keep your neck relaxed and aligned. Let your abs do the lifting. During leg lifts or hollow holds, never allow your lower back to arch off the floor. Stop if you feel sharp, stabbing, or radiating pain. If you have a pre-existing back or hip condition, consult a doctor first. Discipline is wisdom. Know when to push and when to recover. Train smart. Respect your mechanics for long-term consistency. Your fitness journey is personal. This routine is a template designed to adapt to your level. Regression: work 30 seconds, rest 30, plank on knees, hollow hold with knees bent to 90. Progression: 50 seconds work, 10 rest. Add light weight to crunches, one leg plank holds. Add slow leg raises after reverse crunches. Keep your back flat. Consistency is the master key. Once won't change you. 3 to 5 times a week will. Schedule your workouts, put them in your calendar. Protect that time. Track your progress. Date, modifications, plank time, reps with good form. Small wins add up. A monthly photo shows undeniable change over time. It is only 10 minutes. No valid excuses. Do it in the morning for a win or evening to de-stress. Find a time and stick to it. You have completed the workout. Good work. The strength you build in these 10 minutes extends far beyond your physical core. It builds discipline. It forges resilience. You showed up. You pushed through the burn. You chose effort over ease. That is a victory. This is the essence of the GymProLife philosophy. Strength, discipline, consistency. Motivation is fleeting, but discipline is a choice, a commitment to your future self. 10 minutes is a small fraction of your day with a massive long-term impact. Focus on perfect form. Work with intention. Count every rep. Breathe with power. Be patient with your body. Relentless in your effort. True strength is built one day, one rep, one choice at a time. Capable, powerful, resilient. Great work. Stay consistent and keep building your core. Like and subscribe to GymProLife. Your support means everything.